Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to use paste special multiply in Excel 2016. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we can see here many data. Now I am select some data, click and drag on our mouse. Now you want to use the paste a special multiply option. At first copy anything, select the copy option, then click another side and select the paste drop down menu. We can see here the paste a special option. Now we can see here many option. You can use the multiply, subtract, comments, formulas, values, etc. Now I am select only multiply option, then click OK. Now we can see here we use the paste special multiply option easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.